am I that you keep me on your mind? I'm just grateful for you. Alright, so one more time. To the one. Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Brendo coming at you with another tutorial. Today we're learning God I'm Just Grateful by Elevation Worship. Let's get straight into it. So this song is in the key of D major. Let's go through the D major scale real quick, and then we'll talk about some of the chords you're gonna see in this song as well. D major scale, you have D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp or D flat, and then D, right? So if we're talking about the number system, our number system, essentially we assign a chord to each note in this major scale. So the D is going to be our one chord. This E minor 7 is going to be our two chord. You might see me play it like this during this tutorial, or even like this, just as an E minor. Our 3 is going to be a 1/3 chord. Essentially, a 1/3 means that I have a 1 in my right hand, right? It's a D major chord. And then on the bass, I have a F sharp, which is also known as our 3. 1, 2, 3. We have a 4, which is a G major chord. 5 is A major. Here's how I like to play my 6s. I like to play my 6s as a minor 7 chord. So we have a B minor, and I like to add this A here to make it a minor 7, right? And then you have a 7, which I don't think is in this song, but just for knowledge's sake, you know what a 7 looks like. It's gonna be a 5/7, and we have our 1 again. So the way this song starts off with just the verse. Starts off with the verse. So here we go. Starts off on the 6th chord, right? So I did 3 chords. There was no way until you made 1. Okay, so what am I playing here? There was no way. This is a B minor chord, and this is also our 6th. There was no way for until you won. This is the verse, part 2. Grace upon grace, hallelujah. Same thing. And then the chord changes just a little bit here. I mean, the progression changes just a little bit here. It says, even though I don't deserve it, you did it. So all I did here was I switched the 1 chord for a 3 chord. And really that's just nothing more than changing the bass from a D to an F sharp. So again, even though I don't deserve it, you did it. Even though I couldn't earn it, you give it. All right, cool. So that's the verse. Notice how I end on the 5, right? So 6, 4, 1. You do this part twice. 6, 4, 1. 6, 4, 3, and then 6, 4, 5. 6, 4, 5. This takes us to our chorus. Who am I that you keep me on your mind? I'm just grateful for you. Alright, so one more time. To the one. This is how we start off the chorus. So all you saw me do was take this middle finger from the D in our 1 chord, and I moved it to a C sharp. We're using this 5 as a passing chord to land on the 4. God, I'm just grateful for you. 5, 4. To the chorus one more time. And the second time, now it's 3, 2. Okay, cool. That's the chorus, and we already learned the verse. The verse actually repeats itself. So everything you did in the first verse, you're gonna do in the second verse. The first 2 times, 6, 4, 1, 6, 4, 1. Third time, 6, 4, 3. Last time, 6, 4, 5. So then after that we go back into the chorus, and after the chorus we go to the interlude and then the bridge. And that's essentially the entire song. Of course they go back to the chorus again, but I'm going to teach you the interlude and then the bridge, which is the same chord progression, and that'll be the end of this tutorial. So here we go. So do 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 do. Okay, and the chorus right here into the interlude. So the chord progression here is 4 to the 5, da, 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 to the 3, 6, 5. Here's the bridge, and I'm lifting both of my hands. You get me chance after chance after. And then we go back to the chorus. That's the entire song right there. Thanks so much for watching. Appreciate you guys. Love you. Definitely share this video with somebody you know who is also trying to learn piano. And if they especially love this song, send it to them. Even if they don't have any piano experience, I feel like a lot of people can learn this song because it's just so easy to learn. Deuces, see y'all next time.